In this video, we're going to show you how to remove a light bulb from your dryer. To remove the light bulb in your dryer, in most cases that bulb is mounted against the back wall from inside the drum. So to access that, you're just going to open your door. Now some have a cover over the light bulb that you just basically reach in, apply a little pressure and rotate it a little bit in a counterclockwise direction, and the cover comes off and the bulb's right behind it. On this model, and on some other manufacturers' makes, the cover is held by one screw. So in this one, it takes a 1/4 inch hex screwdriver. Some are just a Phillips screw, but whichever type you have, we're just going to remove that. Just take that screw out. And that cover on this one just pops up and flips out of place. And just reach in and unscrew the light bulb. And that's how easy it is to remove the light bulb from your dryer.